Today I was going to talk to you about the internet and the problems that we face living in a rural area. Now, for the last 7 years, we've been putting up with substandard internet. When we got here 7 years ago, we didn't even get internet for a month, but we had to wait for a satellite to be available. So we got that for a few years, and then after a while, the NBN in Australia launched the Skymaster satellite, and we moved on to that, and that was slightly better, but it's still pretty crap. But then a few months ago, they installed a new tower up on the hill over there. So today I finally got accepted to move to the new tower. So that's really good progress for us. I've had a pretty lazy day today so far. I've just been sitting around, not doing much at all. And then I was just on the phone to a friend. We're having a good old chat. And then Annette and Abby came out and said, "We're going for a walk, see you later." I was like, hang on, I'm coming. So I just raced to get ready, and now I'm gonna go catch up with them. So, or how long it's going to take me to catch up with them. I assume that walking down to the end of the road, so hopefully that's the way they went. I reckon they went this way. A few years ago, when I went to Nepal and I was going to be trekking to see Mount Everest, I started walking this road every day, every afternoon. I wanted to lose a bit of weight and I wanted to be fitter in preparation for the walk. But it's a while since I've done that, and I need to get back to it because, yeah, I'd prefer to be lighter and fitter. It makes everything easier. It's actually fairly windy today, so I thought that I'd do a follow-up to the tests that I did yesterday with the microphones. So first up, I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 on its own with just the built-in microphones. I'd say this is only light wind, but it's still probably affecting the audio quite a bit at the moment. I can hear the wind blowing across my ears, so I'm sure it's blowing across the microphone. So if you're wondering about my vlogging setup, I have this tripod and it's got these bendy sort of legs on it that you can bend up into all sorts of shapes. But I've also got a mouth mount at the back of it. So if you're actually doing something and you need your hands, you can quickly transfer the camera. And have your hands free and still get the shot. So I've now got the GoPro Hero 8 in the media mod with the microphone set to front priority. Now, I've found that this is better when it's windy. It's not fantastic, but it's certainly better than without it. Alright, the wind's picking up a little bit there as I come around the corner, and it's blowing in my face, so hopefully that will give you an idea of what it sounds like in the media mod. The wind has probably died down a bit at the moment because I'm going down into a dip, but it'll probably pick up when I go back out up the other side. I really need to start exercising again. I've been doing a lot of stress eating with coronavirus, so if I keep doing that, I'm going to put weight on, and I don't want that. So probably now it's time to give up the chocolate and do some more walking. yeah. I'm talking to you. I'm just hoping that the bull's not in the paddock. So the third configuration is with the GoPro Hero 8 in the media mod with the Rode Video Micro on the side. Now it's my hope that this gives the best results in windy situations when you're outside. So I can feel the wind again. So let's listen. Look at this creepy birch grove halfway along our road. Apparently, this was the original fireplace for the post office in this area. Long gone. Oh look, I found some people.
We waited for you, but you didn't come.
I was coming.
We waited ages, yeah.
I was just filming.
So we walked around this way.
Wow, that's cool. I still need to go to the road.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Don't I?
No.
Oh, okay. What are you doing, Max? What are you doing?
We're just scared that the cows are going to get in.
Oh. I thought he was maybe too tired to walk home. Ah, you're clever. So the last test is the Saramonic Mini Mic, and it's plugged into the back of the media mod. It's got a little bit of a foam cover on it, so that should cut back a little bit of the wind noise. Let's have a listen. If you're not breathing heavily, then the exercise you're doing is probably not working. Again, until I put the footage onto the computer, I'm not going to know which microphone option sounded best, so I'd love to get some feedback from you guys in the comments. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.